Alright, here we are with a flat turn situation. Cone here at the apex, turn, another cone, another apex. First thing you want to look at is have a buddy mark with another cone, tire, anything, where you actually start to brake for the turn. Okay? Simply just place that cone wherever it is. If it's here, start braking here. When the guy starts practicing, he's braking at when he passes this cone. Okay? Now, start by moving the cone closer and closer to the turn. Okay? Because you're moving the cone closer, you're braking later. But I think you'll find that you're still able to make the turn. Okay? So if you're braking later, okay, and actually you're going to be braking less, you're going to be carrying more momentum into the turn. It's also good to practice this where you have overrun, no trees or anything like that. So you can push the limit a little bit, and if you do overshoot, it's not a big deal. All right, here practicing turns again, flat turn situation. Think about the first thing that turns the motorcycle is your knee, okay? By pushing your knee into the tank, outside knee into the tank helps lay the bike over a little bit, okay? But we're on a flat surface. So what has to happen at the same time in order for you to keep traction? You have to apply pressure to the outside foot peg. Hard pressure to the outside foot peg, knee into the tank, and then accelerate and look through the turn. So I just said 4 things there. Knee into the tank, pressure on the foot peg, okay, so you can maintain traction through the turn. Look through, meaning look to the exit or to the next cone or to the next turn, and accelerate at the same time. It's very crucial to do that. A lot of people make the mistake of they're looking right here and not looking that bike length or 2 bike lengths further through the turn. That will limit your momentum. All right, so hopefully you'll see how I demonstrated the right way. Leg pressure, knee in, look through, accelerate. Now, why that's important is, anybody will understand this, if you just stay centered in the seat, put no leg pressure on the outside of the outside foot peg, the rear wheel is just gonna come out from under you when you accelerate. So get down with that leg pressure, turn that knee in. It's gonna help you get traction. Come on, baby.